Hey, let me show you the best features of the Huawei Band 9. And first of all, we are going to start from all of these features that we can find right here on our band. And after this, I will move and show you the best features that you can find on the Huawei Health application. So first of all, when you click on this side button, you will actually open this app list. And first of all, I want to show you that in this device, we can actually measure the sleep data. So when you click on it, you will actually, when you put this device on your wrist and go to sleep, it will automatically measure your sleep data. After this, all of this data you can check in the Huawei Health application. Next, we can for sure measure the heart rate, but when you scroll down, you can also find your average resting heart rate from the last 7 days. We can also measure the blood oxygen level. We can also measure the stress. We can find some breathing exercises, and we can find the music player. So we can actually control music playback of our smartphone. So we cannot actually upload music here. We can actually find the remote shutter. So if you turn on the camera on your phone, you can take the photos with this remote application on your Band 9. We can also find some pay application, Alipay and Weixin Pay, but it's only available on the Chinese version with the NFC. So if you got, for example, the European version, you will don't have the NFC on this device. Just keep it in mind. From the useful options, we can set, for example, the alarm, and we've got the stopwatch application. And we can also find our phone. If you lost it, by clicking here, your smartphone will make sound. And from the useful options that we can find in the settings, we can, for example, find the always on display, and we can also find the automatic brightness. So it's really useful, especially when you wake up at the night time. So the screen will be not turned on at 100%. It will actually decrease. And from the settings, that's all. Now let me show you some cool features that you can actually find in the application. So you can for sure change these wallpapers. You can even set your custom wallpaper by applying your own photos by going here, selecting gallery, and now you can actually take the photos or upload something from your gallery. And as you can see, this is actually the my custom watch face, but we can for sure find a lot of different free watch faces that we can apply. Also, we can find the continuous heart rate monitoring, and as you can see in the application, we can actually set the high heart rate alert and the low heart rate alert. So you will actually get these notifications when it actually goes over 100 beat rate per minute, or it actually drop below the 50 beat rate per minute. We can also find the automatic SpO2 measurement, but also we can set the low SpO2 alert. And we can also find the sleep breathing awareness. But to let it work properly, you should actually go to sleep and put your phone next to your head. Just not like 1 centimeter of your head, for example, on your shelf in the bed. Next, we can for sure locate our band by using the Find Device. There we go. So it will actually make the vibration. And in the device settings, we can also enable the Rise to Wake function. And from the app management, we can only adjust the calendar application. And we can still perform the firmware update by going here. So we can actually get some new features or just simply improve the stability of our device. And this is it for this video, the best features of the Huawei Band 9. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.